Ever missed an important call because your iPhone's ringer just wasn't loud enough? Let's fix that right now by boosting your iPhone's ringer volume to ensure you always stay connected. First, open your iPhone settings app. You'll find it with a gear icon. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. This section is where all the audio adjustments for your iPhone live. Now, locate the ringer and alerts slider to make your ringtone louder. Simply drag this slider all the way to the right. You can hear the ringtone sample as you adjust it, so move it until it sounds loud enough for you. Next, let's make sure the physical volume buttons on your iPhone actually control your ringer volume. Look for the change with buttons toggle. Ensure this is switched on. If it's off, pressing your volume buttons will only adjust media volume, not your ringer with it on. You can also use these buttons to instantly adjust your ringer volume whenever you need to. For even more impact, consider choosing a louder ringtone in the Sounds and Haptics menu under Ringtones. Explore the available options. Some ringtones are naturally louder than others. If you've followed these steps and still find your ringer too quiet, try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve audio glitches. With these adjustments, you'll be sure to hear every important call, no matter how busy your day gets. Happy ringing!